Hey everybody, I just wanted to explain, this video is part of part 4. Next weekend we'll end up going back over there and helping finish it, but this weekend we celebrated Father's Day early. We went to a drag race with my father-in-law, my husband, and my kids, and his best friend. Yes, I'm in my bathroom. And so this video is just of my father-in-law. There is really, there isn't any steps to show you what he did and everything, and that's fine. I'll explain it more when we get there next weekend and have him explain it again if anybody forgets or if you guys aren't watching this series. So this is just my father-in-law. He's explaining what he did to the camper and how he's been working on the floors and the paneling and everything, and he's actually been doing really good with it. We'll have more materials for next weekend, and we'll see you guys on the next video, because this is part of part 4. It's just a little section, so don't get discouraged. It's a short clip. It's just a little update, okay? So don't forget, if you aren't, please subscribe, like the videos, and push that notification bell to stay tuned for upcoming next videos. And don't forget, we have a series. So if you go down to my vlog videos, you will see Shasta restoration videos series, or in some term of that relation. So I hope you guys enjoy what he's done, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what I've done today so far. Doesn't look like a lot, but structurally it is. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and kind of explain, you know, what I did and what I've got left to do the rest of the day. So down here you'll see the floor. Part of the floor is taken out, and that gap between the floor and that wall is it's a piece of tin that protects the underneath of the floor whenever you're going down the road. So I've got to button that up, and then this corner I've put bracing on that wall, redid that wall, so now I need to staple and nail that corner to the new studs, and then I can work on this side over here. But the biggest part is getting that over there closed up, and then get some of this other rotted lumber replaced. So far, that's it. Alright, this is going to be it for the day. Tired, hot, dirty. So this is what I have done so far. It looks worse than what it is, but here we go. Took the floor out here. The whole floor is going to come out in the bedroom. Started replacing the braces on the back wall. I got that wall tight. This side I'm going to have to do the same thing. And the floor, it's going to come out. These are the floor joists. They're just kind of sitting in there. They're rotted. But yeah, so this is what's going on.